This is the 2025 RV of the Year, and we're gonna check it out. Starting with the exterior, I love a good Brinkley because, first off, it's iconic. The colors are just black and white, but they've made this unit so beautiful. So you'll see this front end, it's all black with nice big window, and it is almost like a glossy full body finish. And it has the little details of the windows, matches the rest of the RV. All the lines align. All right, we're gonna check out the storage here. And you'll notice, so easy, magnetic. The storage runs all throughout the other side. We have a outdoor shower situation here. Okay, so if you're in the sand or mud and the sun, you can definitely rinse yourself outside before entering inside.
You have all this additional disconnects right here and solar disconnect.
Yep, so easy peasy. Let's come over here to the other side. You'll notice these gorgeous LED lights here, and it probably looks so cool at night.
Looks amazing at night.
Over here, we have our tank stuff.
You have all of the water connections, black tank.
Very important stuff. Easy peasy.
Everything's on magnets.
Close this. A little clunk. You know it's solid when it makes that sound.
If you guys look at this design, you
Yes.
see how the windows are white.
I'm telling you, it aligns with the lines. All right, nice square windows. Of course, it is a very sought out design nowadays. It's very modern, sleek. We have one slide on this unit. Over here, you'll find where you dump your tanks, and we have a 50 amp. So you have a ladder if you want to go upstairs. There's little gutters up there. Super nifty. And a bike rack tow thingamabobber.
That's to hold your bikes.
Yes, you could just plug in your rack and tow your bikes.
And then
And you also have a backup camera ready.
it's ready for a backup camera.
Yes, you just have to install it. And it's also by Furion, so
Here I am.
easy peasy. Little lights, you'll see it's nice and sleek. We have our awning with the LED lights, safety rail that pops through. Easy
Covered
peasy.
everything, guys.
So easy. And of course you have your steps. And let's check out the suspension. Okay. So what we have is the Lippert Road Armor.
And you guys have ABS brakes.
ABS brakes by Lippert. And of course your Brinkley rims.
And
Black.
Cook tires as well.
Yeah.
They covered it all.
They do. They do. It's just gorgeous. I mean, when you see this unit on the road, you automatically know, oh, that's a Brinkley. Okay, before we go inside, I'm going to tell you a few specs about this RV. Okay, the Fresh has 55 gallons, gray 80, black 40, and the length of this bad boy is 29 feet and 11 inches. All right, let's go. All right, let's come inside. As you come in, it's very warm. I love the colors. And you'll notice this on top, which is the projector. And what it does is actually, you can watch movies, okay? You can watch your favorite movies on this screen. Or if you don't want to watch it on the screen and watch it outside, what it does, it actually reverses the movie. You can watch it outside on the screen of your window.
It's actually really cool. We saw a
Pretty
sample
genius.
of it. That screen is now a movie theater.
It's actually pretty cool. I've never seen anyone else do it, so really, really cool and techy. All right, this table is a desk area, and it extends if you want more space to have your dinners. You know, you put your dinner here or up there or whatnot, or workspace, which is really, really convenient. It also has an area to put your utensils, or it could be used as a junk drawer to put
All your
pencils and screwdrivers and missing screws that you might have.
Batteries you'll never use again.
Batteries, yep. All the fun stuff.
Great for an office.
Yep. So going to the kitchen, we have an L-shaped kitchen here. And of course, my favorite is going through all the cabinets because I need to know what kind of space is there. Nice, cute window, as you notice here.
They filled the space everywhere.
Yes. If you're doing dishes, you don't want to just look at a wall. You want to see what's kind of going on, you know, like the neighborhood watch. I love that they put this awesome door here, and it just makes life easier. Storage up here, and a convection oven. It's very beautiful
and microwave. Oven and microwave.
Yeah. So you can put popcorn on, or you can roast or bake a chicken or a turkey, a little tiny turkey. 3 stovetop. And of course you have your trash. These things are going to go obviously in your microwave, but you can put your trash bags in here. And then your trash. More things like sponges or whatnot, paper towels.
Thought of everything.
Drawers.
You guys notice the colors.
This goes onto your sink for drying dishes. One more big drawer here. Large space. I mean, you have tons and tons of space for all sorts of things. Of course, another one, drawer, and a spice rack area to put all your little things here.
And speakers. You guys look at those speakers under the table.
Totally. Storage. I mean, you can put your shoes down there. You can put all sorts. There's also outlets that you can put for charging. So you can put your electronics down there. Your Wi-Fi actually comes up here. So it comes with the Wi-Fi. And I'm going to show you guys this little Furrion.
Small, but
cute.
Very powerful.
It is so adorable. Let's see this freezer. Oh, it is nice and cold in here. Woo! Pantry area. I love that they have also this option where you could just pull out this drawer. And again here. Easy, easy, easy. They thought everything throughout. All right, so let's go through the living area. We have 2 recliners and they're very comfortable. I think you can just...
There you go. She found it.
Put your feet up. And also storage here. Cup holders. And I love the design of it. It's very modern. Yep. Of course, you have your flush. The only slide that has, you know, this, and it has a flush to the floor.
You guys didn't even know. Look at that.
It's flush. Yeah, you can't even tell. Nice big windows. Over here is the bathroom. And of course, there's a door for privacy.
Bye, Val.
You would have never known because everything is just so nice. And a 1-piece fiber shower. It's a modern design. So you can use your shower head, or you can use this guy.
Fancy.
Put your shampoos. You have a little shelving, seating area. Nice LED behind me, so it has
lots of headspace.
Effect. Lots of headspace. I'm 5'5", so I'm not really super tall, but there's plenty of space above.
You're above average size.
The bathroom has a sink. It is so pretty. It's square, it's modern, and has a little stopper that just you press. The mirror is lit. The toilet is a porcelain toilet. Actually, yes.
Double check.
Double check. Storage throughout here. All right, and on this side as well. So you can put all your towels, your linens, or whatnot,
everything that you need to live.
Everything, basically. Look at this toilet paper roll holder. You just like snuck it in there. If you want privacy, you want to shower, you can put this guy down.
Which is in all the windows, by the way.
Yes, check these hooks out. If you want additional hooks to put your towels, you just... This is so... I'm telling you guys, you will want to buy this simply because of this. So addicting. Isn't it? It's great.
I do like that.
All right, perfect.
Onwards.
Going to the back.
I gotta go around her.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go around me. All right, so
Okay.
coming to the back, we have a bedroom with, of course, a door.
Oh, bye, Belle.
So you have 2 sliding pocket doors, and they just lock with a click of a button. As you can see, all the cabinetry are this like light ivory color. It's not a white, it's an off-white. And you also have these brass handles everywhere, which makes it feel very, very high-end. Is that the air? It's
just going.
It's
Tried
just
to
going.
turn it off, but
It's nice and cool in here.
it is nice.
All right, so cameraman, I'm gonna borrow this. Lots of space for your things. This is not the only area to have. Oops, kind of hard doing this with the camera in. All right, that is not your only closet space, guys. We also have.
This may be where the magic happens, but check out where some more magic happens.
This is where you get double the magic. This actually serves as a closet space. So you'll see there's a step down and a couple of shelving here, extra chairs, of course, and a space to put your hangers. Very creative.
Kind of like this picture right up here.
Yep, kind of like that picture. So we have storage all throughout here. It's nice and deep, and it runs through plenty of it. This one opens as well. And you have storage up there, but you also have plenty of storage. It goes in deep. Like, you can really stash some stuff.
That's where you hide your cash.
Yep, stash some cash. Lights above here, very cute and modern. Boom. And you also have your outlets on the bottom, so you can plug things in.
That giant window also gets closed.
Yes.
Show them how that works. Okay, so you don't want any neighbors to see you.
Boom. And then in daylight, nobody can see through here. Of course, it's all blacked out. And at night, you just close those off and go to sleep. Super easy. Yeah, and oh, and of course you have some here. This one has a double. This also opens up, and I think that covers it all. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. But first, if you guys are interested in buying any RV with Blue Compass, you get these perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. In the meantime, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.